Alright, so we're going to change the engine air filter. We do this every 15,000 miles. This is a Wix air filter. I'll put links in the description. You don't need any tools for this. There's one of these where you just grab it with your hand, this clip, you just pull out. There's also one right here. This back side right here. I just do that. Then all I do is pick up this box like that. And right there is your engine air filter. It looks clean, but it has been 15,000 miles, so we will change it. So it looks great on that side. That side you can see more dirt, but I'm gonna go ahead and change it. It's been 15,000 miles. So this is our new one. I always like to check the orientation. This is our new one that we're going to use. Just make sure the air box is clean. If it's not, you can vacuum it out. Now on this end, there's what I call fingers. These little plastic things that have to fit in here and in here. So you just kind of line these up while it's angled, and you push it back. You just check on both sides. There's one on both sides. So now that it's back, now this will go straight down and I won't have any trouble putting these clips back where they go. So that's it. That's all there is to it. The engine air filter is changed and we're good for another 15,000 miles. I'll put links in the video description of how you can get this Wix engine air filter, which is highly rated at an affordable price. Not sponsored by them, just in my research, what I recommend is typically a Purolator or a Wix engine air filter. So I hope that's been helpful.